In this video, we're going to look at the Talis Bookmarklet tool, how you would add it, and the basics on what you would use it for. So the Talis Bookmarklet, that is what you use to save things to your reading list. So the Talis Bookmarklet exists in Firefox. If you use Firefox, go to the browser add-ons and you can search there for Talis Aspire and you'll be able to add it to your Firefox toolbar. Again, if you use Microsoft Edge, you can find the Talis Aspire bookmarklet there. And then in Chrome, you can find it in the Chrome Web Store. So I'm just going to show you how to add it to your browser in Chrome. We just click on Add to Chrome, add the extension. It should be relatively quick to add it. The first time that you use it, if you click on it, it's going to ask you to choose an institution. So if you go in there, there's a long list of other universities that use the system, and then find University for the Creative Arts, hit save, and then from that point on you'll be ready to go. The bookmarklet will be in the top corner there on your toolbar. In later videos we'll show you how you use that to save things to your reading list.